Ha, Patrick unemanga. Kube mos. So much, Patricia and Patrick, for coming to visit. Please have a seat. I've prepared some tea for you and some rusks. Please help yourself.
Oh yes, thank you, Mr. Mike, for the tea. We appreciate it so much.
Siyabonga. Yo. Bane. Patrick, ucinele lesitole lapha. Sure. Thank you, Mike, for the tea. Siyabonga. Wena tea ngathi ubuye phesheya phela. Cha, atsengive usenjani tea. Yo. Tamakhatle lama crockery ngathi cheap level ngathi bethenga emasitolo amaChina.
Ungakhuluma njalo wena man. Ungakhuluma njalo. Siyavakasha la.
Ngokela kamnanzi ngathi vele buye phesheya le tea khona ba. Patrick. Kababa babe. Kababa le tea sebelungu phela. Wena wathi wena.
Patricia, no. Don't say that.
Makokisi lawo womile sona mina ngeke shame. Mina ngidle tento tiwomile.
What a lovely interior you have. It's so beautiful. It's also very, very vibrant.
Ha, Patrick unemanga. Kube mos. Wena ngathi kuhlala indlapa lana. Kube ne interior kana.
Mr. Mike, I'll just say, she's saying how nice the biscuits are. We appreciate everything.
Hey Patrick, unemanga. Uma nothi igcoke njani? Ugcoke ngathi uthenga impahla takhe emastradini, yabona?
Don't say that. No.
Natimela mbuzo ukuthi itoneli takhe tihwayekile bukho.
Hayi. Ngathi uyamhleba lo mlungu lona.
Ha, vele asambeni. Tasifaka le divaresi zabantu laba rich. Asambeni qinisile. Oh, so yahamba manje. Oh, uyasaba ukubona ukuthi emlungu seyakuva ukuthi uthini nyalo. Ya, ngikuthole kahle wena Patricia, ngivile konke lento ngitshela khona. No, hambani kahle, ngiyabonga ngivakashe. Thank you so much for visiting. Hope that you guys have a good day further.